Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know what to do. Hit that like button.
Yes, sir. Hey, we know you watching the video. Just go and hit the like.
So starting off in this video, we have the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that already came out. Shoes that came out the 8th through the 14th. What we got, my brother?
Hey, so October the 13th, we had two pair of shoes that came out. We had those Jordan 1s, OG University Red. According to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. Once again, all sizes are still available for that shoe there, that Jordan 1 OG University Red. On the same day, we had a collab, right? Jordan 1 Golf, Travis Scott. Came out on the same day. Hey, all sold out. So, hey, give that a round of applause. Nice work there. All sizes were gone, sold out.
So as you know, Sneakerheads, I did go for these. I don't know about you, but when I was trying to put in my payment information, I kept on getting a server error, so I wasn't able to enter the raffle. I did hear that other people went through the same thing. Let me know in the comments, Sneakerheads. How did you do? Did you win the raffle? Did you have payment issues? Let me know what your was experience with the raffle. So moving on, the next day we had on the 14th of October, we had the Jordan 1 Mob. Some sneaker YouTubers saying, why did they make these? We didn't need these. Keep in mind, this was a men's pair, which I was kind of shocked because they do look like, in my opinion, for females. But you know, like I said, men are rocking pink these days, so you rock whatever you like. These came out for a price point of 180, and these are all sizes are still available on Nike.com. So if you still want these sneakerheads, go and scoop them up.
Yes, sir. Hey, if you continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.